Hello guys, magandang araw sa inyo. And once again, I'm Young Villablanca. At maraming salamat po pala sa lahat ng ating mga subscribers, sa lahat po ng mga nag-like and share ng ating mga nakaraang video. At syempre po sa mga magla-like pa lang, magsusubscribe, magsushare, ayan, at magpo-follow sa atin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo in advance, ayan. At kung meron po tayong mga tanong, maaari naman po tayong mag-comment dito po sa YouTube channel, sa comment section po. At syempre, sasagutin po natin yan, okay? Kung meron po tayong mga tanong, huwag po kayong magdalawang isip o mahiya, okay? Sasagutin po natin yan. Pero bago po tayo dumako sa mga question and answers, mamaya po ay makikita nyo po yung proseso po ng ating QCE Services online application ng Digital Health Certificate. Ayan, sana po ay makatulong po ito sa inyo. At syempre, maraming salamat po ulit and God bless you all guys. Thank you!
Good day, dear viewers and subscribers of my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the online application process for a digital health certificate on the QCE Services website. This tutorial aims to provide valuable information and assistance to hardworking employees in Quezon City who require a digital health certificate. I hope you find this video helpful. Feel free to leave your comments, suggestions, or questions in the comment box below. Thank you for your support, and may God bless you all. Here are the QCE Services Digital Health Certificate online application requirements for new application number 1. Laboratory results. Ensure you have sputum or chest X-ray and stool test results, if using an external laboratory source. Number 2. 2x2 photo. Take a clear photo or selfie picture with white background. Smart casual attire, good lighting and facial expression. Upload clear and legible photos of results. Additional requirement for renewal application. Old health certificate. Upload a clearer picture of old health card, front and back pages. If the certificate is old or details are not readable, consider applying as new. Important reminders. Take your time filling out the application form to avoid thorough review uploaded requirements for accuracy. Save laboratory results and photos on your device for easy access. Let's get started with the application. Go to the qceservices.quezoncity.gov.ph website using your device's internet browser. Choose an account to use for logging or registering on QCE Services. Important reminder. If you already have a QCE Services account, please log in using your existing account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register first on the QCE Services platform. Registering for QCE Services. For those without an account, register first on the QCE Services platform. Ensure accurate personal details in the online registration form. Take your time filling out the form to avoid errors. Click Yes to complete the registration. Read and agree to the data privacy agreement by checking the box. Next steps. Create an application after registering. Fill out the application form carefully. Upload required documents. Creating an application and step-by-step guide 1. Select the Health Certificate portal. 2. Click Create an application, and choose the correct application type from the drop-down list. 3. Fill out the required fields. Application type. Industry. Sub-industry. Business line 4. Do not check the peso beneficiary box unless you are a beneficiary. 5. Click Apply for Health Certificate. 6. Select your civil status. 7. Choose your occupation from the drop-down list or use the Smart Text feature. 8. Complete the company name and address fields. Important reminders. Ensure all fields are filled out accurately to avoid rejection. Review the application form carefully before proceeding. Select the Data Privacy Policy box and click Next to continue. Guide and uploading requirements. For new applications, select External Laboratory as the upload source if you have sputum or chest X-ray and stool test results. Important warnings. Ensure you select the correct upload source, as this cannot be reversed once confirmed. Upload required documents only in the designated fields. Do not upload documents in the HIV Seminar 1 and 2 fields, as these are for renewal applications only. For renewal applications, upload a clear photo of your old health certificate. If you've made an error, click Cancel Application and create a new one to avoid issues. Double-check your application type and uploaded documents to ensure accuracy. Guide in uploading a 2x2 picture. If your 2x2 picture is blurry or old, consider taking a selfie instead. Use a white background for the selfie. Wear smart casual attire, avoiding revealing clothing. Crop the photo to fit the 2x2 frame exactly. Submit the photo. Uploading stool result guide. Upload a clear photo of the stool result. Whole page of stool results showing laboratory clinic details, header and the applicant's name matching the health certificate application. Be sure that the result includes remarks. It should be positive or negative in oviparasite, examination date, valid within 3 months from the examination date, and signature of pathologist or medical technologist. Tips 1. Ensure all details are legible. 2. Illegible or blurry details may render the result invalid. 3. Obtain a legitimate copy from your laboratory clinic service provider if needed. Click Choose File and upload the stool result. Don't forget to include the date in the stool field for system processing. Uploading a 2x2 picture. Guidelines. 1. Ensure a front view, not tilted. 2. Crop the picture to exact 2x2 size. 3. For old pictures, consider uploading a selfie instead. Wear smart casual attire. Use a white background. Avoid revealing clothes. 4. Before submitting, click View to verify the uploaded picture. Now I give you an additional tips. 1. Double check the picture's clarity and quality. 2. Ensure the photo meets the required specifications.
Uploading a 2x2 picture. Guidelines. 1. Ensure a front view, not tilted. 2. Crop the picture to exact 2x2 size. 3. For old pictures, consider uploading a selfie instead. Wear smart casual attire. Use a white background. Avoid revealing clothes. 4. Before submitting, click View to verify the uploaded picture. Now I give you an additional tips. 1. Double check the picture's clarity and quality. 2. Ensure the photo meets the required specifications.
Important information before uploading results. Important note, validity of results. Sputum, chest X-ray, and stool results are valid for 3 months only. If expired, re-examination is recommended to avoid application delays. You can pair either sputum or chest X-ray results with stool results. If your chest X-ray result is available, you can use it. Upload the result document, not the chest X-ray film itself. Guide and uploading requirements. Whole page result with clear details, remarks on findings, positive or negative, signature of radiologist, radiotechnicians, pathologist, medical technologist, physician, and date of examination. Tips. Upload specific results then summary results. Verify result accuracy and completeness before leaving the laboratory clinic. Ensure name matches your QCE services account. Avoid uploading incorrect documents or altering laboratory results. Best practices. 1. Double check results before uploading. 2. Re-examine if results are expired or incomplete. Step-by-step guide. Before submitting your requirements, follow these steps. Review uploaded documents. Carefully check that all required documents are uploaded correctly and are the most up-to-date versions. Verify test completed date. Ensure that the test completed date is accurately reflected in the uploaded documents or relevant fields. Certify the requirements. Check the box to confirm that you certify the provided requirements are valid, true, and accurate to the best of your knowledge. Submit with confidence. Once you've completed the above steps, click the Submit button to finalize your submission. Payment instructions. New applications with external laboratory source. Payment amount, 125 pesos. Renewal applications with external laboratory source. Payment amount, 75 pesos. Steps to follow. Monitor your application status. Regularly check your health certificate application for updates. Print order of payment. Once the status shows payment created, select the A4 paper size to ensure a clean print. Print the order of payment. Make payment. Visit the nearest city treasury office or satellite office to pay.
Payment instructions. New applications with external laboratory source. Payment amount, 125 pesos. Renewal applications with external laboratory source. Payment amount, 75 pesos. Steps to follow. Monitor your application status. Regularly check your health certificate application for updates. Print order of payment. Once the status shows payment created, select the A4 paper size to ensure a clean print. Print the order of payment. Make payment. Visit the nearest city treasury office or satellite office to pay.
Uploading health certificate official receipt. Select payment created status. Go to your application history and select the payment created status. Prepare official receipt. Take a clear photo of the entire health certificate official receipt, ensuring the paymaster's signature is visible. Upload proof of payment. Select Paid at City Treasury. Click the Upload Proof of Payment button. Enter payment details. Choose the payment date from the calendar. Enter the complete official receipt number accurately. Upload receipt. Choose the file containing the health certificate official receipt photo. Upload the file. Submit. Click the Submit button to complete the process. Checking health certificate official receipt validation. Access health certificate portal. Go to the QCE services menu and click on the health certificate portal. Check application status. Look for the application status. Next steps. If the status shows HIV seminar, watch HIV seminar video. Click the HIV seminar button and watch the video. Take online exam asterisk. Answer multiple choices questions, 1 to 10, based on the video. Note, the HIV seminar online is only for new applicants.
After completing the seminar and exam. Next steps. Monitor application status. Regularly check your health certificate application status. Wait for completion. Look out for the completed status, indicating your health certificate is ready. Checking digital health certificate completion. Steps. Check application progress. Look for the application progress button. Verify completion. Ensure all statuses are marked as completed and highlighted in green, verde. Alternative check. You can also check the health certificate portal and history application status for completion. Next steps. View and save certificate. Once completed, view and save your digital health certificate to your gallery. Submit to HR. Provide a clear copy of your health certificate to your HR department.
Important reminder. Consequences of falsification. Faking a health card can lead to application delays, rejection, or even legal issues. Smooth application process. Accurate documents and information facilitate a faster and more efficient process. Let's prioritize integrity and authenticity in all our endeavors.